Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're going to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R250 server. In this video, we're going to specifically talk about power supplies. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today. Just a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R250 server. Do us a favor. If you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, so here's what we're going to do in this video. First off, we're going to go over the different wattages that you can use and really the different types that you can use for this R250 server. And then we're going to show you how to physically install the cabled power supply. Unfortunately, there's no hot swaps for this R250, so you will be using a cabled power supply, and we're going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to install it. All right, Mason, go ahead and throw up a compatible chart for our types of wattages. So you're gonna have two different 450s. That's gonna be your bronze and your platinum, and you're gonna have two 700 watt titaniums. So here are the different types of cabled and power supplies that you can use. All right, let's get to the fun stuff. Mason, let's install this bad boy.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install your cabled power supply into your Dell PowerEdge R250 server. As you can see, we have the cabled power supply here and a Phillips head screwdriver in order to secure it down. And we have this screw here that is inside the chassis. It will be used to secure the power supply in its place. All right, so let's go ahead and set these to the side, pop our latch, and lift our top, just like any other server you've been in before. Okay, so first let's remove the air baffle so that way it is not in our way, and then set it to the side. Now we will take the power supply and fit it over here in the server. Next we will take the screw and a Phillips head screwdriver and secure the power supply in the chassis here. Once you've completed screwing in the power supply, we will now go ahead and plug in the cables to the motherboard. So let's go ahead and snake the cable around these pegs like so, and then along the edge to the right. First, let's go ahead and take the little cable here and connect it to the port located here on the board. After that, we will then plug in this cable right next to the one that you plugged at the beginning. And then our last cable will plug all the way in the back here in the back of the server. And now we will make sure the cables are snug and inside the server and secure them around the pegs that we snake them around. All right, there you go. That's how you install your cable power supply into your Dell PowerEdge R250 server. Hey, do us a favor, click that like button and smash subscribe. If you're looking for any custom built Dell, HPE, Supermicro, Asus, ASRock, Gigabyte, maybe you're looking for an AMD server or an Intel server or even a Threadripper server, we do it all. We have both new and refurbished. So please give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by.